how to log out of Mobile Legends account or ML account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can log out of the ML account or the Mobile Legends account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let's guide it through. First things first, you want to open up your game, right? On the game, what you want to do is you want to head into your profile. You'll find the profile option at the top left corner. So once on your profile, at the left hand side you'll get list of options. You want to simply head into the option that says accounts. Now under accounts, there at the right hand side you can see account center, switch account and advanced server. You want to simply tap on account center. Now under account center you can see account security and you'll find device management options. Simply tap on device management and now you'll be able to see the list of devices that you're logged in on. If you wish to log out from this particular device, simply tap on logout from the particular device. Now I'm logged in on currently on the Samsung, so if I tap on logout from this device, I'll get logged out. Similarly, if you want to log it out from another device that your account is there on, you can see my account is on another device as well. So if I tap on logout, it'll get logged out from that particular device as well. Or if you wish to log it out from every single device that your account is logged in on, simply tap on logout all option at the bottom of your screen and your account will get logged out. So this way you can log out your Mobile Legends account or the ML account. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.